Hello doctor, I am Norelinda binti Skri from Division Bioprocess Technology. So today for the lab 3 IBG 112, which is for bioanalysis 1, about the pre-record experiment, pre-record lab report experiment, which is iodine value, determination of the iodine value. For the first, I will explain about the definition of the iodine value. So, what is iodine? So, iodine value is the measure of the saturated of fats and oil. This unsaturation is in the form of double bond, which react with iodine compound. The higher the iodine number, the more C double bond C present in the fats. So, it is expressed as the number of gram of iodine absorbed by 100 gram of the fats under the test condition used. So, what the principle we use in this experiment? So, the principle is addition of phase reagent, which is a solution of iodine monochloride in a mixture of acetic acid and carbon tetrachloride, which is CCl4, to a test portion. But this method has been modified to use cyclohexane as a solvent instead of carbon tetrachloride. So in this procedure, fats are dissolved in the solvent and mixed with solution. So iodine in a white solution react with the fat. This solution is titrated with sodium thiosulfate solution of with non-molarity. So the concentration of C double bond C in the original sample can be calculated by measuring the amount of sodium thiosulfate needed to complete the titration. Starch is normally used as an indicator because form a molecule complex with the iodine that has a deep blue color. So for the procedure, which is methodology, firstly weigh the 1 gram of sunflower oil and 1 gram of palm oil accurately to the nearest 0.001 gram in the separate 500 ml of conical flask. Secondly, cyclohexane was added to the dissolved fat. 25 ml of white solution was added. Insert the stopper and mix gently. After that, put the bottle in the dark place for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, 20 ml of potassium iodide solution and 150 ml solution were added in the conical flask. So the solution will titrate of potassium iodide solution until the yellow color due to the iodine almost disappear. So after that, 1 to 2 ml of starch indicator were added to the solution, and the titration continue until the blue color just disappear after vigorous shaking. Fourthly, the procedure 1 until 3 will repeat to obtain 3 results for each sample. A blank test, which is without oil, were prepared simultaneously under the same condition. So, after that, repeatability. So when you repeat this, the difference between the two results which is determined carried out simultaneously or in rapid succession by the same analyst shall not exceed of 0.5 unit of iodine value. So for the discussion, we can in this experiment we can say that the iodine value of sunflower oil is on range between 105 until 144, while the iodine value for palm oil is on range 50 until 55. So therefore, the iodine value of sunflower oil is higher than iodine value of palm oil. Okay, because this saturation form in the double bond, so that the higher iodine number, the more double bond C present in the fat. So here we can conclude that on the sunflower oil, more double bond C present in the fat rather than palm oil. So that's why in the sunflower oil has a higher iodine value rather than palm oil. So thank you, that's all for me.